Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I have a couple of things I wanted to show you today. I'm not going to do a tutorial because today, not tomorrow, but today, today is actually Melina's birthday. So in just a little while, we're going to go out and spend some time with them. So I'm not going to get a tutorial done. All morning we've been kind of busy with contractors and calls and different things. So yesterday was the same way. I didn't get a video done because contractors, and then we had a man out doing some measurements and some layouts, and then after he left, we went and did some shopping of some things that we had to get. Did not get a video done yesterday, but I wanted to show you this. This came from you guys. Now, I don't know who's responsible. I don't know who all did it, but thank you guys so much. And I can't get it all in camera, but it is a huge, let me pull that card off. It's a huge bouquet of beautiful, beautiful flowers. It is so pretty. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? See if I can pull it on over just a little bit without dumping it. There we go. It's just, I mean, they're beautiful. It's every kind of flower you can imagine in here. Roses, carnations, lilies, everything. So, who is responsible for that, thank you guys. But it says on the card, let's see, it says, your YouTube family is praying for y'all. We rejoice that y'all finally found contractors, and even with all the difficulties, you still bring us videos. Thanks, and God bless your YouTube family. So thank you guys so much. Like I said, I don't know who's responsible, but I really, really appreciate it. I mean, it's just, when it came in yesterday, I haven't had flowers in so long. When it came to the door, I thought they was bringing it to somebody else. I thought they might have been bringing it to Melina and just brought it here because she wasn't at home. So I went, oh, okay, thank you. I'll give them to her. And she said, are you Edith Ray? And I said, yes, ma'am. And she said, well, they're for you, not anyone else. So I said, oh, okay, great. I said, I haven't had flowers in probably 30 years. I didn't even know they were for me. But anyway, I wanted to show you that and say thank you so much. And then also I wanted to introduce you to a new Etsy store. I do believe it's Etsy. Let's see. Maybe not. Maybe it's it's an Etsy shop. I had to look for a little while. It's called Crafty Kitty, and she sent me a message and asked me could she send me some of her digitals, and I said, of course you can. And she said, I'll send them to you, and if you will show them on your YouTube channel, I would appreciate it. I said, I will definitely do that. Now, she also included some beautiful napkins. Look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? And we're going to be doing something with these napkins. It's probably going to be next week because it's a little bit more detailed video. So I'll probably be doing this on Monday or Tuesday of next week. We're going to make some paper out of napkins, so you have to stay tuned for that one. That one's going to be interesting. So again, this is from, let's see, Tina from Crafty Kitty, and she's got a little tag in here that shows what each thing is. This is 16-pound Staedtler vellum. I think I said that right. Everything was printed on Epson inkjet printer. So this is vellum. Isn't that pretty, the way she printed that? I love it. This is vellum. Very pretty. And then the pockets. And more pockets. I'll have to use some of those. I haven't done a pocket like that with vellum like this before. And I'm also going to be doing a cherry blossom journal in just a little while, hopefully. So I'll be using some of these, some of her kits. Isn't that pretty? And then those are printed on vellum as well. And these. So she's got all kinds of labels and things too. This is 32-pound hammer mill copy paper. Now, I don't see where she's telling me the names of these. Maybe she is and I'm just not seeing it. Let's see. Oh, she says, I have to give a thanks to you for sending me to Betty's Custom Designs. Betty is where I learned how to do digital kits. So Betty, you are responsible for this young lady. No, I don't think she's given me the names of these, but maybe somewhere in here we'll see the names. But you can see this is cherry blossoms. Cherry blossoms. Isn't that pretty? Well, you're doing a good job, Betty. You taught her well. And some of them she's printed on the back, looks like, too. And there's quite a few in here, so I'm going to go not too slow. Not too fast, not too slow. Maybe just right. Alright, and then 32-pound hammer mill, and I will be using those tags as well. And this again looks like some cherry blossoms, so I think she's pretty new, so you should be able just to go to her store, and that's linked below, and find all of these. No problem. Same thing here, 32-pound hammer mill. I guess because she knew you guys would be asking what paper, and she's got printed on the back of these. Very pretty. I love the cherry blossoms. Wow. And all of these cutouts are so pretty. We'll be able to use those in the journal. This one is 110-pound Walmart cardstock. That's what this is printed on. And you can tell the difference. This is really thick. As a matter of fact, it feels like 2 sheets. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? I love that. And since most all of these have cherry blossoms in them, I'm just putting them together. Maybe 2 or 3 kits, but I'm putting them together because I will be using all of them in my cherry blossom album. Or journal. Journal, I should say. Look at that. Wow, these are pretty. Like I said, Betty, you did a good job teaching her. And you did a good job learning. This is 110-pound Walmart cardstock. And this is lots of pockets, looks like. Lots and lots of pockets. Wow, these are pretty. Like that pocket. It's one of the corner pockets. So cute. Ooh, that was a nice size. 110-pound cardstock. Oh, these tags are nice. And they're already backed, so you wouldn't have to back them, and it's thick paper, so you wouldn't have to put anything behind them at all. Just cut them out and they're ready to use. Very, very nice. Wow. Oh, those are cute. These are little tickets. And then this is 110-pound cardstock. And this is her labels. And then her cutouts. Really, really pretty. Alright. Those are so pretty. Won't that, I mean, this is going to make probably 2 of the cherry blossom journals. Maybe 3. That's a lot of paper right there. Thank you so much for printing all of that for me, and I will definitely be using these in my journal. Already pre-made tags on there, so that'll go in the journal. So thank you, Tina from Crafty Kitty. I will put her link below, and you guys go over and check her store out. She's pretty new, but and she has learned from Betty. This kit is called Cherry Blossom. So this is, I don't know if this is one kit or if it's a couple of kits, or if it's one kit that she's printed a couple of different ways. But it's her first digital kit, she says. So you guys go over and check her out. And I will be using those very, very soon. And we'll be making some paper out of some napkins soon too. Alright, so I think that's all that I'm going to show you today. I've got a couple of more things to show, but that's all I'm going to do today. I just wanted to get up a real quick video to thank you guys mainly for my flowers and to show this kit, because I knew it was going to be big and take a little while. But I will come back probably tomorrow, and I will show the other items that I got from different Etsy stores. And we will talk to you guys later. Again, thank you so much for thinking of us. This is super sweet. I have shared the photo to all of my family. They all thought it was so sweet and gave it a big thumbs up and hearts and everything else. So we'll talk to you guys later. Love you all. Bye-bye.